Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Yaki. I am the Yaki here on YouTube as well as Instagram and TikTok. I give you art tips as well as show you cool paintings and now events that I'm doing around town. So today's video, highly anticipated, highly talked about, finally completed. I painted a skateboard deck. So I turned something like this into something like this, and we're going to talk about it. There's going to be a bunch of time-lapse footage of me painting it, and then there's going to be some cool photography at the end of this video. And yeah, I think it turned out so cool. It's hanging up at my work. I absolutely love it. It's going to be sad the day that somebody buys it, but you know, it's part of the process. I have to sneeze. All right, now that I've sneezed and I am back, I wanted to give a little update for this channel and just talk about it for a little bit. I know that I've gone on a little bit of a hiatus, unintentional, but I've just been busy, very, 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 very busy. And I know it's not an excuse, but I got in as an artist for the Denver Comic-Con, aka the Fan Expo Denver is what it's called because of licensing issues. But yeah, I was an artist alley there and it was so cool and I had such a good experience. And that's what the next video is going to be about, me prepping for that, me freaking out about it, and then me actually being there and attending it, and it was awesome. But I just want to give you a little update that this channel is going to switch a little bit to have more vloggy style videos. I hope that you like it. We're going to do studio updates. We're going to do events. I have a bunch of holiday markets and stuff lined up too. And then we'll also do creation videos, like how to do stuff, but that might be pushed off a little bit until after the holidays. So come like January, February, we'll start doing how-to videos again. Let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see, but I'm just letting you know that where my schedule is right now, it's going to be more like out in the real world stuff for a little bit. So I hope that you guys like it. I think it's fun. I think it's cool. I want to take you along with the journeys that I am now experiencing. So cool. Well, let's get to this video, skateboard deck video. And here's previous me talking about it. Oh yeah, and like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. You have a second, go ahead and do it. All right, cool. Thank you for doing that. All right, I'll see you in like 2 seconds, okay? Bye. This is what I am working with today. I have this fun skateboard deck that I painted this lovely color pink with some spray paints. I got this deck off of Amazon, and I would highly suggest that if you want to paint a skateboard deck to just go to your local skate shop and buy a blank deck that they have there. I purchased this one off of Amazon, and if you can see on this deck that it came really dirty. There's like fingerprints all over it, and the deck itself is like pretty gnarly, but not in a good way. So I would suggest just to go to your local skate shop and buy a blank deck if you are wanting to do this. I'll leave I'll leave a link down in the description below of which deck that I purchased. If you don't have a local skate shop and you just want to do this as well, maybe you'll get better luck with the deck that you receive. I just received one that was in pretty poor condition. And let's get to the art footage.